Sciences University, Patna. I am from a reproduction background. My department is veterinary gynecology and obstetrics. So today, let us talk about some advanced technologies for improving bull fertility. As you know, the fertility and the conception rate, both in animals and the humans, is decreasing day by day. And in parallelly, now the technologies has come up to improve this reduction in fertility, I mean in conception rate. So it is very important, the bull is very important for the reproduction. Bull is the half of the heart. In veterinary science, we generally say that bull is the half of the heart. Means bull occupies, means play a role, very vital role for giving a conception rate to get a very good offspring, high yielding milk, producing for high yielding milk animals. So bull is called as half of the heart. So let us go. Why the bull fertility is important? We know one bull influences the fertility of thousands of females through AI. Now AI about artificial insemination, you all know. Artificial insemination is the first generation assisted reproductive technologies in veterinary science, in animal reproduction. So bull fertility mainly determines the conception rate of the female, that particular female. After AI, after breeding, the bull means with a good semen is very much important. If we go artificial insemination, the semen quality, the frozen semen quality, basically we do with frozen semen. Frozen semen quality is very much important for getting a conception rate. Okay. Conception rate, the genetic gain, cost effective also is very much considerable with the bull fertility. In field conditions, generally bulls are categorized, or we used to get the bulls that very high fertile bulls, some are very low fertile bulls, and some of are categorized as high fertile, low fertile, and the subfertile. Okay. So subfertile bulls are we do not know what are the main causes. Means the categories are generally done with the conception rate of the particular females. High fertile bulls are generally called as high fertile, which gives a conception rate of minimum 45% and above. These are categorized as high fertile bulls. And low fertile bulls are that below 25%. See, in field in India now, all over the country, the conception rate of the animals is 30%, 30 to 35% only. The reasons behind are many. There is not a single reason that reduction of or the minimum conception rate percentage is not only the bull. There are many reasons. Female also the same cause. Female also occupy the same, and the bull. So both are responsible for maintaining the conception rate. So you can see what are the main causes of reduction of bull fertility. How means what are the reasons which causes the reduction of bull fertility? How bull are affected with various environmental or some other genetic or some other nutritional deficiencies. The poor semen quality, I have already told you, the poor semen quality, generally motility, morphology, its DNA content, abnormalities in the sperm, particular sperm in a semen sample. This should be considered. These are the main causes of reduction of bull fertility. Other stress like heat stress, means environmental causes, heat stress, oxidative stress, heat stress. Stress can be summer stress, I mean heat stress, and also the winter stress. Extreme cold condition also affect the semen quality. And the oxidative stress mainly Due to the heat stress, the semen quality, the ROS, reactive oxygen species, the ROS production becomes above this minimum level. So it causes the excess production of ROS, then reduce the semen quality. The genetic defect. Some of this sperm has the genetic effect from their production. The production house is the testis, seminiferous tubules. During that, they are destined to face many abnormalities, sperm abnormalities. We generally say sperm abnormalities. Sperm abnormalities should not exceed more than 20% for a good semen quality. It should not be. If there is more than 20%, this semen should not be used for AI, artificial insemination. It's a very important point. Other causes like nutritional deficiency. See, to be produce a good semen and to get a good quality bull, the nutritional is a very much important part to be managed. Okay, so nutrition, the bull which we select from his childhood, I mean in the calf, the male calves from beginning from the 6 months of their age should be selected, and they should be provided good nutritional ration, balanced ration, to get a good quality bull as well as the good quality semen. And another causes for reduction bull fertility is the cryo injury during semen freezing. See, semen, the cryopreservation and its preservation storage, this is in -196 liquid nitrogen. During that process, just after the collection of the semen from the bull and till the storage, till the production of semen stores, it takes more than, I mean, whole day. Generally the semen used to collect early in the morning, then we used to get the final product of a semen store in the evening. Means the whole day, 10 to 12 hours, it takes time. So during that process, there generally involve many manpower, their handling, and different steps, different machines. So during that process also, there is cryo injury, the production, I mean the preservation, semen freezing, the cryo injury from room temperature to that -196 till 196, means till the freezing of the spermatozoa, semen samples. So cryo injury is the main important factor for the reduction bull fertility. That's why it's very important the handling and the production unit should be maintained very strictly, very hygienically with a protocol to get a minimum quality of semen. Minimum means the good quality semen. Because see, the mortality of the sperm should be minimum 50% after the frozen semen stores. Minimum 50%. During, means just before AI, the minimum sperm quality should be minimum 50%.
Sir, sorry for disturbance. Your slide not moving, sir.
Yes, I am here. Yes, yeah, it's moving. I will. Is moving now?
Yes, sir. This moving, sir.
Yes. Yeah, I'm coming. So now I'm talking about this the semen cryopreservation. So there are many chemicals also involved, like glycerol. Glycerol is the main chemical, I mean the agent, cryoprotectant agent, to get to minimum to give minimum injury to cryo injury, to give minimum cryo injury during the cryopreservation process. So that's very important. So now some of the technologies, AI, artificial insemination, is the first generation assisted reproductive technologies in veterinary science. After that, now the new technologies has come up. Out of that, CASA, we say it CASA, computer assisted semen analyzer. Computer assisted semen analyzer, it gives the accuracy of the sperm motility is pathway because see, sperm motility, to get a sperm motility, I mean to what we say the good qualities of sperm, the sperm which move forward, I mean progressive motility, we say it progressive motility. These are the good sperm. Some sperm you may get circling, you may get some moving backward. So to get this type of assessment accuracy and the test, the sperm, this CASA machine, CASA computer assisted semen analysis has come up, and it gives the accuracy, because manually when we go for this type of test, I mean the motility and other live and dead sperm, sometimes this is a manually, whatever we see by our naked eye, that under the microscope, that this is assumption, but this now, that's why the now CASA has developed, and now it is coming up. The CASA gives the accuracy and its velocity, which direction, how a sperm can, how much speed it can travel, its speed, velocity, and the motility, exact motility percentage, and everything. So CASA is a very important component nowadays. Okay. So main objective CASA is the automated sperm motility analysis. It mainly gives total motility, progressive motility. I already told that velocity parameter. Velocity means the average path velocity, straight line velocity. And see, it eliminates the observer bias. I have already told that naked eye in manual test, by naked eye, we see the microscope and we just assumption gives that 70% motility, 50% motility, but the CASA gives the accuracy. And it also gives the correlation with field fertility. Based on the CASA parameters, we can see the how much means a good quality semen, and it may give this percentage of conception rate, bull fertility. So it's very important. Now another test is the flow cytometry. Flow cytometry for sperm function test. Okay, it generally gives plasma membrane integrity. These are the fluorescent stains, property iodide, chromosome integrity for that FITC, PNA, fluorescent isothiocyanate, mitochondria. Mitochondria is the main part with JC1 stain. It can give by flow cytometer or flow cytometry. Okay, so mainly the flow cytometry overall it detects functionally superior sperm, not just motile sperm. This is another advanced technology. Functional, it should be superior, but it should be functional. So it gives more accuracy. Beyond the CASA, now flow cytometry is better. So this is images of flow cytometry parameters. And sperm DNA integrity. DNA integrity, you know, DNA is the whole core of the sperm. The whole head occupies the head, DNA. So DNA integrated chromosome, I say, for this, because to exchange the genetic material, the sperm head, the responsible, I mean the DNA, whole head of the sperm is the DNA, genetic material, to transfer the genetic material. For this, advanced test, SCSA, sperm chromatin structure assay, tunnel assay, comet assay, this type of test can be done for sperm DNA integrity. You see the significance of DNA integrity. Bulls with normal semen but low conception rate can be identified. Normal semen, we can in naked eye see this all our parameters. We get all the parameters, but still it gives the low conception rate. So for that, this DNA integrity, maybe we can assume that DNA might be the reason, its cause for getting low conception rate. So this test helps in this case. Seminal plasma proteomics. After that, all these tests, now the proteomics, metabolomics has also come up in animal reproduction. Proteomics, because to get a particular offspring fertilizing some of the genes some of the proteins required for fertilization, for acrosome reaction, for capacitation. Capacitation is one of the important part of the fertility, means semen fertility, bull fertility. That capacitation should be there, means maturation. Capacitation and maturation of the sperm to get fertilized with an oocyte. So proteomics, this section, proteomics is also because nowadays I also, during my PhD, I also studied some of the proteomics and the genes which are responsible for fertility, with some genes are responsible for acrosome reaction, some genes are responsible for capacitation. So this area is very much important. See, identification of fertility associated proteins, I have already told you. This is a proteomics, how it's important it comes. Proteomics is regulates capacitations, acrosome reaction, oocyte binding, I mean the fertilization. Okay. So this proteomics, these proteins can be used as biomarkers of bull fertility. So this is very important. And the genomic and molecular technologies. Genomics, the chip, Illumina. This is some all machine related. They have costly machines. We can go for the some of the semen samples that we need this type of test. What is the outcome, and according to that we predict, we correlate with the fertility and this particular semen samples. So I have this SNP chips, marker assistant selection. Bull also, during selection also this type of techniques can be used. Bull selection, fertility gene identification. So what are the advantages? Early selection of the young bulls. This already I told that generally we go for the bull selection at the earliest, means after the 6 months. So this bull should be, if you planning to make this bull for semen collection, it should be you should be decided. You should be pre-selection, means early selection should be of these calves, male calves. For that, they should be provided extra ration or other genetically test. This is a genomic test. Some other tests should be done during the early age. Beyond that, this semen cryopreservation, it's a cryopreservation. Some of the advances now already I have told you, that control freezing and thawing rates, use of membrane stabilizer, optimized extender. Nowadays the extenders also we can use the ready-made extenders, because during manual extenders, means the diluters, during the preparation also we may get many infection I mean inducing that unhygienic, maybe unhygienic. So nowadays this is ready-made extenders also is available in the market. So this also improves the post-mortality and the viability. Antioxidant and nanotechnology applications. This is also important for the for reducing bull fertility. See, nano particles as antioxidant carriers. Antioxidant is very much important. Reduce lipid peroxidation, protects sperm membrane and the mitochondria, improve frozen semen fertility. And some also interventions of hormonal and endocrine interventions, GnRH, LH. This also improves spermatogenesis, libido of a bull, semen volume also we can get improved after intervention of this type of hormones, concentration, sperm concentration. And precision nutrition and fertility enhancer. This is all you know, that balance energy, means balance ration should be there, because zinc is very much important component for the spermatogenesis. It helps during the spermatogenesis, the zinc, this mineral. So all should be in a balanced manner. Selenium, antioxidant defense. Vitamins, vitamin A and vitamin E is epithelial integrity and membrane protection. This should be provided. This should be considered. I told you the stresses, heat stress control. This is very much important, mainly in the buffalo. Summer stress, it gives the poor semen quality during the summer stress. For that, the bull semen station should be well equipped with foggers and sprinkles, improve ventilations, thermal stress resistant bull selection, which will lead you the semen quality during summer also. Now, some of the techniques also has come up. The sex sorted semen, which give you the 80 to 90% female calf by using sex sorted semen. IVF and embryo technologies, advanced AI protocols, means the accuracy, camera fitted AI gun has also come up now. That by manually we give by rectal palpation we to AI, but without palpating the rectal, means the inserting your hand, you can see the application based this AI guns has come up, and this also giving a also helps in the reduction of bull fertility, enhancement of bull fertility. So digital and AI based bull fertility monitoring, this real time semen quality data can be used with the means digital fertility prediction algorithm. We can use integrated bull performance records. This is very much important, and decision supports system for semen stations. This is very much important during semen station, because semen station is the main source to get the good semen quality. A simple example, I mean, some study, this is my study during my PhD, I want to show you that generally we use manually. In fresh semen parameter, we see color, volume, mass, motility, concentration, motility, viable, all these are, and right hand side you can see the FIDC, PNA, CFDA, this already I have told you that these are the advanced technologies nowadays, chromatin, integrity, CTCSA, cycling, and the CASA. So I told you that some of the genes I have studied, basically these 4 genes, CRIPS2, cysteine secretory proteins, protamine, CCT5 and CCT8. See, CRIPS2 genes mainly helps in the sperm capacitation, epididymal maturation. So these are the responsible for good semen, good sperm. Means these genes are responsible. Protamine 1, it promotes DNA condensation and histone replacement during the spermatogenesis. So much important. And other genes C, CCT5 and CCT5. 8, associated with consecutive heterochromatin and negatively correlated. Some of the genes you can see the positively correlated, and some genes we can see negatively correlated. These are the labs. These are CASA parameters. Some of the CASA parameters I have studied in Sahiwal bull in India kernel. There are some of the study. These are results. These are the candidate genes I have already told, which are important for the bull fertility. So after semen collection, we go for RNA extraction. After that, all these genes were studied. So after in my study, see, vaccination also. Vaccination gives what? Vaccination gives the stress. Stress means after vaccination, the body temperature increases. Mainly the viral vaccine, FMD. FMD vaccine is gives a very much stressful to the animal's body, because it gives thermal, means increase of the body temperature, and increase of the body temperature ultimately leads to the alteration in the semen quality and the seasonal variation. Vaccination is the effect, and the seasonal variation means the winter stress also. It may deteriorate the semen quality, the summer stress also. So in my study, I have found that vaccination effect and seasonal variation of basic seminal parameters and advanced sperm function tests are observed in both high and low fertile bulls. See, I have categorized 2 type of bulls. Some were high fertile and the low fertile bulls. And variation in the vaccination effect and seasonal variation of transcript abundance, means the genes, I have studied genes of selected fertility of differential fertility bulls are observed in both high and low fertility bulls. So, because see India without a vaccination, this type of tropical in condition, vaccination is mandatory in all bull semen stations. So at least 2 to 3 months, 2 months, 60 days, we generally used to get a good quality, the poor quality semen. So 2 months poor quality semen means there is a huge economic loss, because AI only 30%, 30 to 35% AI coverage is now in whole India. Because of the reason is because shortage of semen, frozen semen, and also the unawareness of the AI technology among the poor farmers, remote areas. So during the 60 days of poor semen, we cannot freezing, we cannot go for freezing of this type of semen quality, the semen samples. So to overcome, to minimize this type of interventions, this type of causes, semen stations should also be must be equipped with best possible facilities to provide the good environment, good facilities, good and to cover to overcome this vaccination effect. Some of the medicines can also be supplemented and can be given, and the feed supplements is also important. So in conclusion, I want to say that advanced technologies for reduction bull semen is essential for sustainable AI program, is artificial insemination program, for genetic improvement, reproductive efficiency. Future lies in integration of genomics, biotechnology, and precision management. Because see, ultimately, what is the aim? Aim is to get a maximum production of the milk. Good quality semen or good bull means the bull should be selected from a good mother, which is giving the maximum number of milk, maximum liter of milk. That this is the good quality. Progeny tested. Progeny tested means the bull, whatever you have selected, should be from a good mother. Simply, this is from a good mother. So I think thank you very much. This was I was planning to talk. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity and sharing my some basic experience with you all. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Dear participants, for any doubt for this session,
Yeah.
so please, any questions for ask, sir? Okay, I think not. Thank you, sir, for your valuable time and wonderful sessions. We also thank all the participants for joining. With this, concluding today's sessions. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.
I repeat again, any other doubt for today's session? So please direct to question.
Yes, you can. If there is any questions. Okay, if there is no question, yeah, you can mail me also, no issue. If any
Yes, sir.
doubt,
Okay, sir.
you can,
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful session, sir.
Thank you very much.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yes, please.
सर आपका मेल आईडी और कांटेक्ट नंबर मिल सकता है?
जी मैंने ठीक है, मैं भेज दूंगा ऑर्गेनाइजर को, आप उनसे
चलिए सर।
ठीक है, कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर
सर,
मेरा।
सर ये लो पोर्ट फर्टिलिटी बुल जो रहते हैं उनके हम
जी।
क्या कर सकते हैं उनके लिए और मतलब इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए?
हाँ, लो फर्टिलिटी जनरली हम कंसेप्शन रेट पे हम इसको कैटेगरी जो क्या है कि बिलो 30% कंसेप्शन रेट ऑफ फील फर्टिलिटी एंड अबव 45% ऑफ फील फर्टिलिटी, उसके बेसिस पे कैटेगराइज है। तो जो लो फर्टिलिटी बुल्स है उसको हम supplement देके and the some of the immunomodulators. अभी हमें क्या है जो सीमेन क्वालिटी को हम थोड़ा वैक्सीनेशन के बाद या जो समर स्ट्रेस है उसके बाद उस ड्यूरिंग दैट स्ट्रेस पीरियड some of the immunomodulators also we can improve. In my during my study also we have immunomodulators like levamisole is very good. Levamisole antipyretic, the paracetamol also we can उसको ऐड कर सकते हैं, उसको इंजेक्शन देके भी हम मतलब डेट पे, क्योंकि 2 महीने हम लोग को बिल्कुल सीमेन क्वालिटी खराब मिलता है आफ्टर वैक्सीनेशन minimum 60 days. So immunomodulators also help for improving the semen quality. And the food जो mineral supplement है आपका, इस सब हम extra उसको addition देके supplement देके we can also improve the semen quality. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Please share the number.
Yes. Okay. Okay, then if there is no question.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Your
Okay.
wonderful session, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
dear
you.
participants, today's session is concluded.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.